Hey, crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and I appreciate you dropping in to spend a few minutes with me to see what Lynn over at Soft Squares has put in the 25-day Advent box. So we are on day 2. And so yesterday started off with multiple patterns in that. And so kind of excited to see where we landed and what's in store for us on day 2. So again, she's doing wrapping things in a lot of different uh, papers and packaging and that, which I think is kind of cool. It reminds me of more homemade home type gifts, right? Not so commercial, which I think says a lot about just who Lynn is and her team and what they try to accomplish. So, of course, my razor blade I think is getting dull on this, but that's okay. We will manage to get into day two's package and let's see what is in store for us here. Excuse me. Oh, so we received, I'm assuming this is looks like a back quarter bundle. It is in the spring fabrics, which I think is different. So, yeah, it's kind of nice to be able to get things in December for stuff that I'm going to want to work on right after Christmas and that versus getting a bunch of Christmas stuff that I'm not going to get done this year anyways. So I do like these pink posies or whatever they may be called. More of that hot pink there, along with the green, right? That definitely looks like quilter's fabric and stripes. So, are these fat quarters that I would have walked by and grabbed in a store? Probably not. But is it nice to add these to my collection and have these when I'm trying to figure out what I want to work on next? Absolutely. So, guys, sometimes it's about getting things that are a little different. I was trying to look. I have a letter from Lynn that tells me she put a value on everything in the box. Oh, I put it in day 1. And so she tells us each day how much she believes retail wise um, each item is worth. And for day 2, she's telling us that this fat quarter bundle is $12. So there's 4 fat quarters in there. It's $3 a fat quarter, which is pretty typical. So $12, she's right on target. So I am happy with this. The patterns yesterday, I really, really did like. The fat quarters, it's always nice to add to your stash. So that's what this is for me. But excited to see what else is coming in the days ahead. And I appreciate the thought and the process that she has put along with her team in getting these ready for us. So, as always, I appreciate you dropping in, letting me rattle on for just a few minutes about what's going on, what's in the box, what my take and opinion is. And if you like what I'm doing, please hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and do all those crazy things that the YouTube algorithm likes to keep us content creators moving forward. So, guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for being here. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.